Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this really easy smushy and nail stamp design. So I'm going to use a sheer pink polish by Pure Ice called Satin Ribbon, white by Creative Play called I Blanked Out, and lilac also by Creative Play called A Lilac-y Story. So I already painted my nails with the sheer pink polish, and I'm going to put dots on my nails. This is a really quick and easy smushy design. If you don't want to go, all into it, it's really easy. Just put the dots of the colors I already told you. And then using a nail stamper, just create the smushy. Now, don't overdo it. You want to see the difference in the colors that you can see. You see the difference. You don't want to overdo it and mix the colors up. Then using my Buitee BC-08 nail plate, I'm going to apply black stamping polish onto this cool abstract design. I thought this would look really nice on top of the smushy design. And I'm going to apply it on my nails. I recently got this nail stamper. I love it. I got it on Amazon. Really inexpensive. I don't know the name of it, but I love that stamper. And once I was done, I just removed the liquid latex, cleaned around my nails, and I applied a quick dry top coat. I told you it's a really easy and simple smushy design, something different than my usual ones. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.